Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is sweetbread. It's in between a cake and a bread loaf. It's sweet, it's got lovely spices in it, and it also has some coconut. It's a little bit dense but still nice and light and soft. So here we go. To start with, you want to melt some butter in a pan and you want to leave that to cool. Next, we want to get some plain flour, baking powder, grated coconut, ground allspice, ground nutmeg, or you can grate some fresh as I'm doing here. So these are all our dry ingredients. Just going to mix those together until they are nice and evenly incorporated, then set aside. In a separate bowl, we want to get our sugar, then take your melted butter and add it to the sugar. We also have some brown sugar in here as well. And then just whisk that until it's nice and evenly mixed together. So that's kind of the base of the batter. Next, we want to add some milk, or you can use coconut milk, whichever you prefer, and then whisk that together as well. And again, keep whisking until it's nicely mixed in. Then we want to add our eggs, give that another whisk. Then we want to add some almond essence, some vanilla, and whisk again. Next, back to the dry ingredients, we want to add our sultanas and raisins, mixed peel, grated ginger, and again, give that a mix. Once you've done that, you can add the wet mix to the dry mix. And that basically makes our batter for the sweetbread. Like I said, it's quite dense, so it won't be as light as a cake mix, but it won't be as thick and together as a bread dough. Give that a good mix. Try and make sure you don't have any lumps of flour. Make sure everything is nice and evenly mixed together. Then prepare your baking tin. I'm using like a loaf shaped tin, and just drop the batter into the pan. Give it a bit of a smooth over the top. Make sure it's all even. Lastly, just before it goes in the oven, you want to decorate with some cherries. Put in as many as you want. I'm just going to put 4 down the middle. And that is it. So you want to bake this in the oven and bake until nice and golden brown, or if you put a knife or a skewer in, it should come out clean. That is our sweetbread done. So before you slice it, leave it to cool and then enjoy. And here we have it. Here's our sweetbread. As you can see, it's lovely and soft, a little bit dense as well, nice and sweet. You can eat this just as it is. Hope you liked the video, guys. Until the next time, peace and love.